So paying with Venmo at Target is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can get pay with Venmo at Target. So the process is pretty simple. You just need to have a Venmo's card. The card should looks like that, and in the back it have all the details like normal card, your card number, your CVV, your expiry date. So you just need to go to the Target store, or you can also visit them in the real life, or you can go to the digital as well. And after that, you have to select any of the products that you want to buy. After that, you have to go to your card, and you can simply do the sign in and pay for your products. And so the process is pretty simple. You just need to have a Venmo's card. But if you don't have any card and you want pay quickly, you can simply get the Venmo's virtual card, which looks like that. It is the same as normal card, but it is in your Venmo's application. This is how it looks. You will have the card number and all the normal details. You can easily pay at the store using the NFC scanner, and you can also pay at your Target online as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can use Venmo to pay for Target. Hope you guys find this video helpful.